Syllaby AI just dropped, and if you're even thinking about using it, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. This isn't just another AI tool, this could completely change the way you create content and grow online. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link below. But don't click away just yet. What I discovered in my testing might save you time, frustration, and even money. So what exactly is Syllaby AI? At its core, Syllaby is an AI-powered content generation tool that's laser-focused on helping businesses and creators build out a complete video content strategy, especially on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. It's designed to eliminate the blank page problem by giving you a done-for-you content calendar, pre-written scripts, trending topics, and even outlines based on what's already working in your niche. If you've ever struggled with what to post, this thing removes the guesswork entirely. What makes it stand out is how intentional it is. Unlike ChatGPT, which gives you generic results unless you really know how to prompt it, Syllaby is built around frameworks for visibility, authority, and conversion. It doesn't just write, you give it your niche. And it maps out a strategy that aligns with your audience's pain points and the platform's algorithm. For example, if you're in digital marketing, local business, real estate, or coaching, you'll see tailored content ideas that aren't just fluff. They're optimized to get attention, build trust, and drive results. And yes, it actually gives you full video scripts, not bullet points, not vague suggestions. Complete, high-converting video scripts that you can literally hit record and read. One thing I really appreciated was the way it ties content back to actual business objectives. So you're not just making engaging videos, you're making content that's built to convert. That's rare. Most AI tools either go super generic or overly technical. Syllaby lands right in the sweet spot. Now here's something most people overlook. It also lets you repurpose your content across platforms, meaning you can take one script and get optimized outputs for short form, email, blog, or social posts. That alone saves hours each week. It's also fast, like really fast. In under 10 minutes, I had a full month of scripts ready to go, and they weren't garbage. They were actually better than some of the agency-generated content I've seen. And I've worked with a lot of agencies over the years. Another crucial thing to know, Syllaby also gives you competitive insights. It analyzes what's working in your niche. So you're not guessing. You're building your content around proven formulas that are already ranking, getting views, and converting. If there's one thing I'd say to someone totally new to this software, it's this. Syllaby isn't for casual creators. It's built for people who are serious about using video content to grow a brand or business. If that's you, this is one of the best just released AI softwares I've tested this year. And if you want to see how it stacks up against other top tools I've tried after personally testing thousands of AI tools, you'll find my full list of recommended free AI tools in the description. But first, try Syllaby AI for free using the first link below. You might be shocked how much time and mental energy it saves you.